pull in a big beat sheet from the same level. This is intermediate level big beat sheet, and this is a 4-measure rhythm from that big beat sheet. So dig it. It's not an easy rhythm because you're an intermediate musician. You're ready for this kind of rhythmic challenge in your keyboard playing. And keep in mind that as keyboard players, we are drummers. We're rhythm players. Right? We need to get really comfortable with moving and grooving between these hands because that's what we do. We are in the rhythm section, believe it. Okay, so first thing we're going to do when we tackle a big beat sheet like this, of course, is we're going to clap it and say it out loud. So let's just do the first measure alone. 1, 2, ready, listen. Half note, quarter, eighth rest. So that's eighth rest. Okay, good. So let's do that together. First measure only of the big beat sheet. 1, 2, ready, go. Half note, quarter, eighth rest. Money, sounding good. Okay, now let's do the second measure of the big beat. Second measure of the big beat. Here we go. Let's clap and say that together. You can do it. Remember that first one is a half dot. Half dot. Say, okay, here we go. Measure 2 only. 1, 2, clap and sing. Half note, dot, quarter. Dig it? With the drummer, what would that sound like? 1, 2, second measure. Half note, dot, quarter. So not hard at all. We got that one, no problem. Measure 3. Let's try to clap and sing that one. That one's a review rhythm for you all. You all know how to do that. So here we go. 1, 2, measure 3. Half note, 8 note, quarter. Remember those 2 eighth notes. 8 note, 8 note. Ooh, with our band. Measure 3 only. 1, 2, ready, go. Half note, 8 note, quarter. Ooh, nice. Okay, now that final 4th bar, that's the one that gets a little tricky because look at beat 2. You have syncopation. That means you're playing 1, 2, off the beat, not on the beat. Syncopation means you're playing off the beat on that. 2. Let's go ahead and clap and sing that 4th measure together. 1, 2, ready, clap. Rest, rest, 8th quarter, 8th note. Dig it. So that second beat, we're going to go rest 8. Say that 8 note, but right? So it's going to be rest, rest, 8 quarter, 8 note. Another way you could count that would be rest, rest, note, quarter, 8 note. So it's just as if that second beat were 8 note. You could just say note. But I'm going to go 8 quarter, 8 note.